2018 Trackhawk, 26 Vellano VSK. He got his dress shoes on. I'm gonna show you what else he got. I'm gonna show you what else he got up his sleeve right now. This is the Sunday shoes, but he got his Friday night. He got some Friday night dancing shoes. We're waiting on his tires. I'm gonna walk back in right now and show you his gym shoes, the ones he gets down with. This is the Sunday church outfit right here. Young B, getting little. Yeah. I'm gonna keep the camera rolling because I don't want to make two. I don't want to put together two videos. I'm being lazy. I'm gonna show you his other setup. Stay tuned, my boy. Eee! We got the drag pack, young drag pack action. Ordered his radial tires, 20 by 10.5 welds. We test fit them for the Brembo brakes. They clear just fine. 20 by 10.5. Did not touch the his Brembo brakes, so the clearance for the Trackhawk is A1. His radial tires have been ordered, and that's not the last time you see Young B. He'll be back.